It is Monday, December 20th, and it is my last proper working day for the year from my home office here in Spain, because tomorrow I am starting my journey to my home country of New Zealand to see my family finally after 2 very long years apart. Throughout the pandemic, New Zealand has had really strict border control rules in place. To enter the country, you first have to spend some time in a managed isolation and quarantine facility that the government is running. From now on, I'm just going to call them MIQ. These are hotels throughout the country that the government has kind of like taken over for this purpose. But spots in these MIQ facilities have been hard to come by. I have been trying to book a slot to go home since I got vaccinated in August. In the second half of this year, they've been running a lottery system for the rooms where you have to like go wait in this virtual queue on this webpage to like hope you get a slot high enough up the queue to book one of the rooms. The first few times I tried, I was like 18,000 and 21,000 in the queue, and like obviously I had no hope of booking one of the 3,000 rooms that they release each time. But finally I got lucky and I managed to get a slot, so that means that I get to head to New Zealand and spend a week in an MIQ and then get to see my family. I'm also very lucky that it's only a week now. They just recently changed that rules. It used to be 2. So 1 week, I think I can deal with this. But I thought it might be fun to vlog this experience. This is very much like a of our times situation for me to be in, you know, having to spend a week in a facility run by the government before I get to see my family. I thought you might be interested in coming along on this journey and like seeing the experience, seeing what I get up to and how I feel my time in these days alone in a hotel room over Christmas. So that's what we're going to be doing. This is the first in a series of daily vlogs over the next week or so where I'll be bring you along the journey. Like I said, I don't leave till tomorrow, but I wanted to set the scene with you and talk you through what is actually happening while I'm still in my office and while I'm not wearing a mask, because I'm about to be wearing a mask for like 40 hours straight. So that's what we're doing. I am pretty much packed. Sure, I've forgotten something because it's been a long time since I did long haul travel. But yeah, I think I'm good to go, and I'm just gonna go and join my last few meetings of the workday, and then I'll see you tomorrow for the journey. Train station very early. I think I overcorrected in the trying not to miss my train thing, but that's okay. It's time for me to sit outside, breathe a bit of fresh air for the last few moments, drink a coffee. Let me take you through the journey that I'm about to go on. So in case you didn't realize, Spain and New Zealand very far apart on literally opposite sides of the world, so getting there takes a very long time. I live in Valencia, and so for me the route that I'm taking there is first off a train to Madrid, then a flight from Madrid to Dubai, and then a very, very long flight, like we're talking 17 hours long flight from Dubai to Auckland. I think it stops off, like it touches down along the way. Altogether I think it's about 40 hours of travel. Fun times. So I feel like 25 minutes I guess before boarding will begin on my train. And basically I'm just sitting here drinking my coffee and looking at pictures of my cats because I miss them already.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but
next step, find a taxi.
Nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there?
I am looking pretty rough. Hopefully you can hear me through this mask. So I have like an 8-hour layover here in Dubai, and so I have booked a hotel room so that I can get some rest, hopefully. That flight was only 7 hours, and the next one I have to do is like more than double that. I don't know, I'm gonna handle it. I binged a season and a bit of Superstore, watched a bit of One Tree Hill, like tried to shut my eyes, listen to an audiobook for a bit, but wow, the time went slow. What have we got here? We have a bed, we have a sofa, we have probably a view of the terminal. Yup. We are gonna close these and hop straight into bed. There's free water here as well. I think I'm gonna take a quick shower first because, you know, I feel like I've been on a plane for 7 hours because I have. And then, yeah, get some sleep.
Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet.
It is now 6:45 local time. I think it's something like 3:45 for my like body clock, Spain time. I got a bit of sleep, obviously not a whole lot because it's always hard to sleep in a new place, and I was only here for like 5 hours, but summer's definitely better than nothing. And to start with, I was just sort of like dozing, but I know for sure that I went to sleep because when my alarm went off, I was like, whoa. Oh, this is so worth it though, just to have the shower even, you know, 2 showers, very lucky. I don't have to check out until 7, but I'm going to leave a little bit early because this airport is large and I want to make sure that I can find my gate. Okay, let's go. The hotel we're going to be staying in is in Rotorua, so now we're on a bus on the way there.
Good afternoon, welcome to the Ibis Rotorua.
I made it! It feels good to be off that bus. The time right now is 6:20. So we nearly made it to a full 48 hours of travel because right now it is 6:20 in the morning in Spain time, and I left at about like 10 to 7. Whew. It was a long, I was gonna say a long day. It's been a long 2 days. Super grateful that I booked that hotel room partway through the journey. I feel like I would be feeling so much worse now if I hadn't done that. But yeah, now I'm just looking around this room that I'm gonna be in for the next 7 days. But I'll give you a tour of that in the next vlog. Wow, I really need to like have a shower, chill, and sleep a lot. The level of protection is very extreme. Everyone, well maybe you saw in that clip that I'm not sure I was allowed to take, was wearing like, you know, full PPE gear, and they wiped down the, wow, my brain. The screen, you know, the clear screen in front of the reception staff in between each guest. Yeah, all very secure here, which is obviously why New Zealand has done so well for so long with COVID. The people are really nice, especially when dealing with some of my fellow passengers who are perhaps, I don't know, letting their frustrations be known, let's just say that. But yeah, I'm gonna settle in here now. My suitcase doesn't arrive until later on today, I think, until like everyone else is processed and off the buses, but I have a change of clothes here in my carry-on because I was prepared for this situation. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off here and I'll see you tomorrow in the next vlog. I hope you're looking forward to the rest of the series. I think it's gonna be a good idea to have documented this process. Also, it's kind of fun just to be able to share all the insides with my family too, so hi family, because I know you're watching and I can't wait to see you in a week. Alright, that's all for this vlog. Tune in tomorrow and I'll see you then.